Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave, this is Project C1 and today we're doing some indicator changes, the side repeaters. We're going to go for some dynamic ones. It's a fairly straightforward job, but people have been asking, so let's get on with that. Okay, so as you can see now we've got three different kinds of indicators. We've got the front ones, which are part of my DRLs. We've got these ones that we're going to change and these ones that I installed in the last video. These ones, as you can see, are dynamic. And these ones are not. So what we're going to do is change that for the dynamic ones so that it matches that and everything looks as it should do. Okay, so the way that these are removed, if we have a look at the new one, take the plastic off, is we have an angle section and a spring section. See that squeezes in there. Now the way that this one in particular is set up, the angle section is this side. So we're looking at it this way. Angle section is that side, spring section is that side. So what we need to do is hold this, pull it against the angle section, pull it against the spring section, sorry, pull the angle section out, and there we have it, okay? So we've got a pull tab there. These can sometimes be a little awkward. Happens quite a lot. You lift it, turns out, and then the way that we reinstall is exactly the opposite. Push that into there and clip that in. There we go. So let's stick the indicators on and see what happens. There we go. So the indicators are dynamic, matches the ones on the wing mirrors up there, and everything is working just fine. So happy with that. Okay, well that was easy enough to do. It's like I said in the video, it's basically just these two are the bits that hold it in. Push the unit against that, slide that side out, unplug the cable, job's good. The one thing that I will make you aware of with this is, I'm not sure whether you can see in there or not, but some of the pins can bend because they're not quite in the same alignment as those pins. These pins are thicker and have a different spacing. So before you install these, you just got to push the pins over a little bit so that it slots into the gap quite nicely. This one I am going to fix and put it on the other side. I'll probably do this as a short video, but hey, you know, it works. And for a few quid, I think it was like £5–6, happy days. Matches all the other indicators that I've now got, so everything is now LED, the sequential ones are sequential, and everything is good. So you know what to do. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the usual YouTube algorithm good stuff. Tell YouTube that the channel is doing really well and you're liking the content, and it'll push it out to more people. Remember to visit the sponsors. We've got TSA Performance on Instagram. Go visit them for anything to do with your 1KR. Go and see Form 7 Performance and basically any part for any car. Discount code on screen right now. Go and visit them. We also have X8R. As you can see, we are technically right in the middle of spring right now, but there's rain, so yeah, these cars leak. X8R do a great kit. I'll link a video in the description as well, as go and visit those. We also have Blossom Automotive. Go see Blossom Automotive. They did the sticker pack for Liz's car. Great ideas coming up with that one. And finally, we've got Mishimoto. So go visit Mishimoto. Any cooling issues for your car. I'm gonna see if I can save an arm and a leg and get a carbon fibre intercooler for this. But yeah, you know what to do. Follow me on Instagram. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all the usual YouTubey stuff. If you really liked this video and you got some value out of it, you can buy me a coffee if you wish, no pressure. But remember to ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.